Click on the link below to get price. The HP115E electric dirt bike motorcycle for kids and teens is an impressive blend of speed, safety, and durability, making it an excellent choice for young riders. With a top speed of 40 miles per hour and a powerful 60V battery, this electric dirt bike provides an exhilarating experience without compromising on safety. One of the standout features of the HP115E is its robust build quality. The frame is constructed from high-grade materials that withstand rough handling and rugged terrain. This durability is crucial for young riders who may not always be gentle with their equipment. The bike's suspension system is well engineered, providing a smooth ride even on bumpy trails. It absorbs shocks effectively, contributing to a comfortable experience for the rider. Safety is a top priority with the HP115E. The bike is fitted with a reliable braking system that ensures quick stops, allowing young riders to maintain control at high speeds. Additionally, the adjustable speed settings cater to different skill levels, making it suitable for both beginners and more experienced riders. The inclusion of protective gear, such as a helmet and pads, is highly recommended to further enhance safety. Another significant advantage of the HP115E is its eco-friendly electric motor. Unlike traditional gas-powered dirt bikes, this electric model produces zero emissions, making it a great choice for environmentally conscious families. The bike's battery life is commendable, offering up to several hours of riding time on a single charge. This is perfect for extended outdoor adventures. However, potential buyers should consider the bike's weight, which may be a bit challenging for smaller children to handle. Additionally, the assembly process might require adult assistance, particularly for those who are not mechanically inclined. Overall, the HP115E electric dirt bike motorcycle is an outstanding investment for families seeking a thrilling yet safe riding experience for their children. Combining speed, safety features, and eco-friendliness, it stands out as a top choice in the electric dirt bike market.